Oh, Edward Makmot, Bedu Vice, I don't know them one go, Vaj, Kalewa Chui, Pawon Kong, Lukare, Vaj, Pawon Kong, me actually parliamentary group, MP me Agagu County, Benin. Ki itala me parliament bene no Roman machalo vice chairperson me legal and parliamentary affairs committee and a bedi parliament me pa 2016 to 2021 ayue manok parliament mokaro chidi ngovela dugo avoyo abede lawyer by profession bene.
No, all about what you have here. Abi penny get my dacty off board manak. Kumbet ni wanelo concerted effort ma megu wonke mego Catherine Mage ma accident te meko malame Uganda. Rien chot occur one way ye. Ma mego take a lock with who after taking over the office. So what you gonna chill? What ni ete me to care me teach kara chill. Care me nene ni duan wani uwinye. Kon gen ma ene mer ni kagi mo tika diwa o mer wati duan wakara chel wot pangiri ngini wekete kenen ni o bod la dit lobo. First recommendation chena mon million bija bichi over down no effort mamegu piemo woro kara chel duon weno munye malong mi ario kombeti loka ketie the war go ni chim you were in a very busy meeting eto beno diko ni fuli no chawani biro amira foni loka ketch Dr. Cage. What's up?
Let it lock package. Guru Kopadano. Jamie ma threatening life. And immediately, one and only it is an emergency. Ma chalo actually parliamentary group. Jami maduong one floor and the office. Jema mero atem. Ramu loka gudu. Ramu loka no. And so right now there's an emergency. So eno tie kin agenda wa kit ma iwenyo lo wara guberga wa kere press conference. A prime minister's question time lok malawo be the new vision. Aneno ikin kiyeno la penya chele ken kin jam muken maduong ma tamoni no tie loka cage now took over because we know ni mukene gero moko ne ento cage ko ne godano ota peramo dugo ko ne chen so well kelebe di watike program maduong lok ma chalo mi cage maramu ne ko lwak ko wel malamal ki report ki statistics ma wanu no he bought cows in districts Mamea Wang. Manyoruni Ketia from an informed evidence and co-op down here at risk. So it has become a matter of national importance.